Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Monday morning, and a brand new week and more heat on the way. We've got plenty of it in store, in fact, for today. A couple of things to address. First off, here with the heat building back in. Later on today, starting this afternoon, a heat advisory will be in effect for northern and western parts of the Local 4 viewing area, and this will continue until this evening. These are the locations that are most likely to see heat index values up near 105 later this afternoon. Might even be a little bit worse up here into South Dakota, where an excessive heat warning is in place. We could see heat index values up there, maybe as high as 110 or hotter in some locations there. Down to the south, northern Kansas, this is for tomorrow. A heat advisory will be in place tomorrow afternoon and early evening. There's also a red flag warning in place out west, western parts of the state, with the hot, dry weather and somewhat breezy winds today. There is going to be a higher threat for fire danger in those locations, so that'll be in place this afternoon and this evening as well. Well, as we look at our Futurecast product, not a whole lot going on for today. There's some patchy fog out there this morning, which should burn off pretty rapidly in the coming hours ahead. Should be gone by mid-morning. Then plenty of sunshine expected. Somewhat breezy winds. Those will pick up, and that's actually going to help provide a slight bit of relief from the heat for today. Those southerly winds will. Now, later today out west, there will be a few extra clouds that develop and maybe some spotty showers in the panhandle. Most of this does not last as it pushes into our area, but maybe a small chance of rain to about Highway 83 here. But again, not a very good chance. And then as these continue to progress eastward, it's just mostly going to be clouds for us. A couple of clouds passing through late tonight and tomorrow morning. You'll notice right here a wind shift going from a southerly wind to more of a northwesterly wind. That is going to be a very weak cold front that pushes through on Tuesday. For most of us, it really doesn't bring a lot of cool air. It will to the northwest, as I'll show you in just a bit. But it will bring a wind shift to more of a north and northwesterly wind. Skies will clear up, so mainly sunny skies in the afternoon. And the quiet weather Tuesday night. You'll notice that cooler air more Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, as a cooler night is expected there. But otherwise, mostly clear skies expected Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So highs today, it's all about the humidity to the east and the drier to the west. Low to mid 90s out east, but where the air is drier and you're closer to an upper level ridge, hot weather. We're talking 105 or higher in some cases. Maybe as high as 108 or 109 in the panhandle of Nebraska and the sandhills of Nebraska. So very hot there. Not quite so bad here in the Tri-Cities, but still mid 90s. That's about 10 degrees higher than what we saw yesterday for a high. Some lower 90s to the east, maybe even some upper 80s along the Missouri River. A little bit of a warmer night tonight in the low to mid 70s. Now tomorrow, some heat relief off to the northwest behind that cold front. So not quite so hot here compared to today, but still could get over 100 degrees in southwest Nebraska. And then for the rest of us, kind of similar to today, low and mid 90s, but out east, maybe upper 90s there in the Omaha area. Tomorrow night, this is where you notice that cooler air a little bit more behind the front. We'll see lows down in the 60s, maybe even upper 50s in the sandhills of Nebraska. And then we're still looking at some heat on Wednesday, but not too bad. Low to mid 90s in the east, but still close to 100 in southwest Nebraska. But after Wednesday, temperature's going to come back up for the end of the week here. So I'll show you in that 7-day forecast. So breezy, hot, plenty of sunshine the next couple of days, a couple of degrees cooler Wednesday, and then here come the temperatures coming right back up for the end of the week. Thursday, mid 90s, upper 90s on Friday. How about 101 on Saturday? That looks like our hottest day of the forecast. Now, later this week, I will throw in some small chances of rain and thunderstorms, mainly during the evening hours. They're not very good chances. We're not talking about a promising chance of rain. The vast majority of our area will probably stay dry. But I will at least include those small chances for a few lucky folks out there. And of course, this time of the year, you get heat, humidity, and any kind of thunderstorms. Can't rule out an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm out there. Temperatures coming back down a little bit on Sunday, but still mid 90s for highs. They may come down just a little bit more early next week, back down to the lower 90s. Next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's still above average, but at least it's a little better out there. Those are the coolest temperatures we may see in the long-range forecast here. And, you know, we're to that time of the year, mid to late July, the hottest time of the year here. So you just kind of get used to it here. So we'll deal, and hopefully, you know, we're not dealing with anything where it's just going to be talking about, you know, heat stroke and things like that. So just be careful out in the heat and things like that, but we should see maybe hopefully a little bit of a break towards the end of this forecast. So anyway, I have to let you all go, but I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll see you all again on Tuesday with all the latest in your forecast. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.